What you're looking at is one of the blinds that goes on the window in my RV. The bumpy Michigan roads actually caused one of these brackets, this one here, to fatigue and break. So I called Newmar and they sent me out a couple of new ones like this. I looked on Amazon. These are called vertical blind C-clips, and you can order them there. But not knowing what they were, I had to call Newmar to figure that out. You'll need a square drive wrench that I've got there to pull off the lambrequin. So that's what I did over here. You'll see this Vance, which I guess the technical name for it is lambrequin. I pulled that off, and I've already put one clip on here. That's the replacement clip that broke. And there's another clip, and this is a pretty heavy shade. So what happens is this clip goes in this track here. And this weighs 5-6 pounds. So I've got an extra clip. I'm going to put it right there just to give myself a little bit more insurance that this won't happen again. Anyways, if I'm on the road now, I can order these from Amazon and get them delivered because I know what they are. They're called vertical blind C-clips. I think this is the 1.5-inch version. I'm not positive, but hopefully that helps. Thanks.